Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to help you make informed tech choices. Today, we have a powerful yet compact accessory on our hands, the Lenovo 65W USB Type-C AC adapter. If you're looking for an efficient and reliable charging solution for your Lenovo notebook or tablet, this might just be the perfect fit. So, let's get right into it. Right off the bat, it's important to note that this Lenovo 65W AC adapter comes in Lenovo's retail packaging, and it's factory sealed. So, you can trust that you're getting an authentic Lenovo product. Its part number is 4X20M26268. Now, let's talk about what this adapter brings to the table. It's a 65W USB Type-C AC adapter, designed to provide fast and efficient charging. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this adapter has got you covered. Compatibility is key when it comes to charging accessories. This Lenovo adapter is specifically tailored for select Lenovo notebooks and tablets that have a USB Type-C connection. It's crucial to note that Lenovo model numbers are suffix-specific. For example, the X1 Carbon 5th and 6th generations use this adapter, but not all other X1 Carbon models. The P51s uses it, while the P50 and P51 do not. So, please check compatibility before ordering to ensure it suits your device. Now, what's in the box? Well, along with the adapter itself, you get the USA 110 volts 2-prong wall cord or power cord designed for use in the USA. It's a thoughtful inclusion, ensuring you have everything you need for convenient charging. Efficiency is where this adapter truly shines. It delivers a powerful 65W output, ensuring your device gets the energy it needs quickly. No more waiting around for your laptop or tablet to charge up. The USB Type-C connection type is becoming increasingly common in modern laptops and tablets, and Lenovo is right on track with this adapter. It's designed with ThinkPad USB-C enabled notebooks and tablets in mind. Let's not forget the form factor. This Lenovo adapter boasts a compact and portable design. It won't take up much space in your bag, making it perfect for professionals and students who are always on the move. In conclusion, the Lenovo 65W USB Type-C AC adapter is your reliable charging companion for compatible Lenovo devices. It's fast, efficient, and tailored to fit specific models, ensuring you get the right power you need. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.